me that this is
You cannot. It has to be from there, no?
कागज सुद्धा ओपन
ॲक्च्युली तेजूस मिटिंग काबार झाली. तेजूस आम्ही डिसिजन घेतले की 15 तारखेला आम्ही येऊन हांगा सायट इन्स्पेक्शन करतले म्हणून. तर PWD काल आम्ही टायमिंग दिलो. काल आम्ही टायमिंग ठरायले पूण आज तेंचे कोणूच ना हांगा. आतां फोन केले एक कोण पणजे आसा आनी कोण कलेक्टरांत आसा आनी because they are the main people here, no, who owns this road. So they have to make the changes. Now, DYSP Traffic will make a report of what we have observed. We had actually specifically come to look at that roundabout. Now, we did not see that there is a zebra crossing which goes nowhere. It's actually going into the pavement. Then it was just pointed out now that the service road, from the service road you cannot come onto the highway. It's just going, you have to take that road going into Margaon. So it doesn't make sense again. So, we will ask for another. You mentioned the lights. It's not illuminated. There are electricity poles and there are bulbs probably, but it's not illuminated. I had also brought up that this signal lights works one day, doesn't work for the next 10 days. Then again it works and then again 10 days it doesn't work. So this whole thing needs to be looked at holistically and, the whole bypass from here right up to Benauli at least, which is done, needs to be looked at, and any changes that needs to be made we will suggest.
पर आमची डिस्ट्रिक्ट रोड सेफ्टी कमिटी मिटिंगेक हो एक पॉयंट आयलो टेलिंग अशें पीपल आर टेकिंग रॉंग सायड. दे आर नॉट टेकिंग अराउंड द सर्कल आनी ते आमी सगळे आज इन्स्पेक्शन करया म्हणलें की एक्चुअल कितें प्रॉब्लेम आनी ते आयलंड आसता रिलोकेट करपाक जाय. सो आमी आज त्या खातीर आयले हांगा गोवा केन्नाचे मडगांव PIS खातीर RTO आसा. सो आमी PWD करूया आपल्याला ते आज पावना कोण PWD. So we will recommend to the district committee whatever observations we have made to make some changes at this place so that people take roundabout properly.